Sarah?
Judge,
Yes.
she's not here because I didn't call her to let her know she had court.
But doesn't she get an email?
Yeah,
If she did, I didn't get one either.
unless
Alright.
unless she
So-
submitted her email, Judge, we have to get it from them. When they arrive.
No, I mean, I know we're doing Odyssey, but don't they receive a letter to their address?
Sometimes
All right, is anybody want to pick up the phone and call her?
we're calling her,
All right,
but I
let's see.
don't know if I'm gonna be able to get her here today.
Well, let's
I'll try.
see. Yeah. All right, who's here on Garrett Williams? Where's Garrett Williams? Come down. And let me just find you on the docket sheet. All right, thank you. You said page 6? 3. Huh.
Pardon? Correct, yes.
And it
Is
says.
it a
I think-
multiple indictment?
No, Judge, but it also says that it's like the second setting, this is the first setting, it just got indicted.
Okay,
Yeah, it was running the 90 days, I think.
Yeah.
all right, so where are we on discovery?
We're still getting discovery. I believe we're waiting on DNA
Yeah,
results
we need
and
to double check and see if they submitted DNA results, and then he needs to be able to view child safe, but otherwise we seem to be in okay shape.
Okay, so child safe.
And then DNA was taken, but we need to double check to see if it was submitted.
All right, DNA results. All right, and is there any CPS records related to this case at all?
I think so. I haven't seen any.
All right, because of the nature of this offense and what you're waiting for, I'm going to give you all a reset for 45 days, and that will be your discovery date. Then after that date, Mr. Williams, the next date is going to be for the state to tender an offer. And then after that will be the plea deadline date. And if this is not resolved through plea negotiations, then it will be set for a jury trial. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset on Garrett Williams.
Number 9.
All right, we'll be back on September 9th.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
We've left a message.
All righty. If you'll come back at 10:30 and we'll see. If not, it'll be, if she's not here by 10:30, I'll recall it for, what is today? I'll recall it for Thursday. All right, so just come back at 10:30. Thank you. All right, who's here on Jesse Demas?
Morning.
Good morning. And if you'll introduce yourself to the court reporter.
Yes, Roberto Ambrosino. I could spell the last name if you need to. I'm used to it.
Now, whenever I see you, she's not here right now, but whenever I see you, I see there's a connection between
That's right.
you and
That's right.
LaShawn with the Pittsburgh Steelers. Y'all share that connection.
Absolutely.
I don't know how people in San Antonio feel about that, but you know.
I see
it's
a
the way
lot
it
of,
is.
I see a lot of Steelers flags.
Yeah. Well, you know, I used to wear the Pittsburgh Pirates uniform when they had the B hats sort of.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, those were great uniforms. I
They
don't care
were.
what anybody says.
They should bring them back.
Yeah. All right, the court is going to call 2024 CR 00704 State of Texas versus Jesse Demas. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state defense?
Roberto Ambrosino,
And are you Mr. Demas?
This one,
All right, is there something wrong with your eye or something?
he recently had a stroke. There was a report to the court. He was in the hospital for about a week and they brought him back.
All right, does he need to have a seat?
no, I'm fine.
You sure? All right, well, let us know if you need to take a seat. All right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Demus, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are there any applications in this case?
There are not.
All right. Mr. Demus, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
It's fine.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft of property, $2,500, less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions?
No.
Did you understand if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea?
Yes.
If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Demus, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's to be 104 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
Contained in exhibit. No objection.
State you may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And just for the record, in the report, in the police reports, he's listed as Jesus Demus Jr. On the docket sheet, he's listed as Jesse Demus. And in the indictment, he's just listed as Jesse Demus. So the Jesus Demus, State, could I have you for one moment, please? So the person who's listed in the police reports, and I'm going to rescind my guilty verdict for now. The person who's listed in the police report is listed as Jesus Demus Jr. And in the indictment, it's listed as Jesse Demus. So there needs to be a correction there.
He indicates that his
Oh, Jesus Demus.
legal name
They
is
always
listed.
use just, I don't know why. They say it's the same as Jesus.
And
All
we
right.
would not object to the indictment being amended to reflect the name change.
And Your Honor, the state would like to request that the indictment be amended to reflect Mr. Demus's correct name, Jesus Demus.
All right, any objections?
No objection.
All right, Mr. Demus, do you understand that the changing of the indictment from Jesse Demus to Jesus Demus Jr. is a substantive change to the indictment?
Yes,
Knowing that, do you still wish to continue with this plea?
yes.
And defense, are you waiving your time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. You may be excused.
Thank
All right. So then the court will find the defendant guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Demus, why are you continuing to steal?
I've been trying to get this William around.
I'm sorry, what?
I've been trying to get this William, I'm just making bad choices.
But that doesn't mean
You know,
you steal. I mean, this is the third time. Here's the thing. I know that the state is probably, I wasn't in the negotiating room because I'm not allowed to. I'm sure that one of the reasons that they're probably offering you this is because you've had a stroke. But you must stop stealing. And I'm looking at the items that were stolen, and it's batteries and buckets and I don't know what this other item they have in the cart. But a reservoir, but you must stop stealing. And because people fall on hard times, that doesn't mean you get to steal.
I understand.
What if I fall on hard times? And honestly, I have been on hard times. I think your attorney and every person here who's an attorney can tell you,
Yeah.
unless they were trust fund babies, when they came out of law school,
Mhm.
the only thing they had in their pockets was lint. So guess what? If all of us would have got together and said, hey, we're poor people because we just graduated from law school and have these loans, and we decided to go stealing, I would have told your attorney, go to Walmart. I'm going to hit Target. You hit this place for clothing. We need some suits and some clothes to appear in court. What kind of society will we have? So there's no excuse. Do you understand? All right. Court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 104 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's to be no contact with Home Depot.
That's fast. A court date locked in just like that. But remember, speed can sometimes mean pressure. Less prep time for the defense could change everything. Ever notice how judges double-check even the day of the week? Courtroom precision matters. Even small slip-ups can make a case look sloppy.
And the court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And you need to follow through on the the rehabilitation they're telling you to do with regards to that. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good luck. Take care. Thanks for y'all. Hopefully by the end of the day. All right. See you later, Judge.
All right, thank you. Have a good one. Keshana Hullaby.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, counsel, you're on that side. No, you're in the center. Your attorney is on this side. Okay. So where are we on this case?
Judge, I'm waiting on an offer. Once I get the offer, I'm gonna ask for a reset.
All right, state, is there a reason an offer hasn't been tendered?
Jason's working on the offer, Judge.
Because she just gave me the file.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm reviewing it right now. Your Honor.
All right. So do you want to tender an offer today?
I can't, I just. need to
Yes.
review it.
All right. So just step back. We'll get an offer today. Then you all
Yes,
approach me when you're ready. All right, Eric Cooper. All right, Mr. Porter, I know you were recently appointed. Yes, Robert Porter. I know you were recently appointed.
Yes, Judge. What at issue is we're set on his UMV. He has a unindicted burglary case.
Mhm.
I think we're gonna be able to wrap everything up within 30 days. The only issue is right now. The reports are kind of convoluted on the burglary case, but at issue is some of the evidence is in the possession of the detective. So I need to go look at that phone. So I'm gonna try to get over to there. And then I think based on what we find, we'll wrap the burglary also.
All right, so what I'll do is I know you're asking for 30 days. I'm gonna recall it for 45 days. And if your attorney wants it brought back sooner, he just needs to let the coordinator know and we'll bring it back sooner.
Thank you, Judge.
And so I think 45 days will give him a chance to look over discovery. And if there's something missing, that'll give the state a chance to see where it is. Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson on Cooper, can we recall this for 45 days?
Number 9.
All right, so September 9th.
September 9th.
All right, thank you.
Cooper? I'm in line.
Yeah, I'm ready on a Romo, please.
So, this is what you need. Changed. It takes.
Mary Isabella Hernandez. All right, let me just, where is she?
She's right here, Your
All
Honor.
right, just give me 1 second.
Okay, we can take it.
All right, why were you late?
couldn't find parking now.
All right, so you need to make sure that you're here early, you understand? All right, where are we on this case?
Your Honor, we have received our offer from the state this morning, and I just need a reset to go over it and allow my client to make a decision on that offer.
All right, how old are you?
53.
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes,
I need a 2-week reset on Mary Hernandez.
Thank you, Judge.
August 6th.
All right, we'll be,
Your Honor, can I make it to August 8th, just 2 days later?
let me see. Yes,
Okay, all right.
all right, August 8th.
Okay. perfect. I was-
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
I'll be right with you.
Yahira Romo? Yes. Bye, thank you so much. All right, what's happening with this case?
The defense brought to our attention a request for possible other discovery that's out there. I emailed our investigator to see. It's the DEA. We normally don't really get much discovery from them, so it's just trying to go about getting contact information to see if there's anything else that's out there.
All right, so when do you anticipate having the discovery?
I would probably say in the next couple of weeks. I mean, if they've had it, if their case file is complete, they should have this available. They should be able to give it to us quickly. Or at least direct us to who might have what we're asking for, if it exists.
Your Honor, we're not opposed to a 30, 45-day reset. We understand it's an outside agency that the prosecutors here don't routinely deal with. We do believe that discovery is light at this point, and that's why out of abundance of caution, we request the opportunity to have that furnished if it does exist for the potentiality of having exculpatory, potential mitigating or Brady information. Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, you put this for August 27th?
Yeah, I did already send out an email just to start getting that this volume. Appreciate it.
You said August 27th.
Yes.
What time is it?
Yeah,
Romo.
Romo.
Yeah, I can do the 27th.
All right, thank you.
Upon doing the acknowledgement, Judge, may be excused.
Yes.
Thank you. You go inside.
Who was your name? Marie. Mary.